today we'll continue the topic application of trigonometry. The question is given as angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degrees and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degrees. If the tower is 30 meters high, find the length of the building. So we have to find the length of the building. Let us see the solution. Draw the diagram given situation. The situation is angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degrees. Here I am taking a tower. Angle of elevation from top of the building from the foot of the tower. This is the building. This is tower and this one is building. Angle of elevation from the top of the building from the foot of the tower. From this building to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation, this one, angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Again, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building. From the top of the tower, the angle of elevation from the foot of the building is 60 degrees. If the tower is 30 meters high, this tower is 30 meters high, find the length of the building. We have to find this building length, so I am assuming as x, taking as x, so let us take the points A, B, C, D. So write down about the given situations diagram. Let AB is the tower of height 30 meters and CD is the assumed height x meters. BC is the distance between them. BC is the distance between them. So there are two angles. What are they? This one ACB, angle ACB is 60 degrees, then CBD (30 degrees). So we have defined the diagram in our own words. AB is the tower height is 30 meters. This is the AB tower height is 30 meters and CD is the assumed height x. We don't know the height of this building. We have to find this value x. Then BC is the distance between them, between tower and building. There are two angles. One is 60 degrees, another one is 30 degrees. So from triangle ABC, tan 60 degrees opposite by adjacent. So tan 60 degrees is AB by BC. What is tan 60? Tan 60 value is √3. AB is also given as 30 by BC. Therefore, BC is 30 by √3. Okay. So one more triangle. From triangle to 60. So triangle ABC. We have taken ABC, then DBC. So tan 30 opposite by adjacent, opposite is CD by BC. Tan 30 degrees is 1 by root 3. We got the BC value is 30 by root 3. CD. What is CD? We don't know. The CD value is X by BC. What is BC? BC is 30 by root 3. Okay, do cross multiplication. 30 by root 3 into 1 by root 3 equal to X. So 30 by root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 ones are 3 tens are. Therefore, the value of X is 10 meters. What is the value of X? The value of X we assumed as the height of the building. Therefore, the height of the building is 10 meters. This is our final answer. So see student, what is the question given? The question given as angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degrees. From the top of the building to the foot of the tower, I am taking AB is a tower and CD is a building. So from the top of the building to the foot of the tower is 30 degrees. Again the angle of elevation from the top of the tower from the foot of the building. From the foot of the building to the top of the tower, the angle of elevation is 60 degrees. The tower height is given as 30 meters. Find the height of the building X, CD. So write down about the diagram in your own words. AB is a tower of height 30 meters, CD is a height X, we don't know. So taking as X, considering as X, then BC is the distance between them. There are two angles, one is ACB 60 degrees. ACB 60 degrees, then another one is CBD. CBD is 30 degrees. Okay, so there are two triangles. So taking first triangle ABC, this one ABC is a 60 degrees. So tan 60 equal to opposite by adjacent. AB by BC. Tan 60 value from the table is root 3. AB value is given as 30 and BC as it is. Do cross multiplication. BC equal to 30 by root 3. Leave it as it is. You got the distance between them 30 by root 3. But our answer is to find the height of the building. Take another triangle. What is that? DBC. DBC is 30 degrees. Tan 30 opposite by adjacent. CD by BC. CD is X, BC just now we got BC is 30 by root 3, do cross multiplication, 30 by root 3 into 1 by root 3, 30 1s are root 3 into root 3 is 3, 3 10s are 30, X is 10 meters, therefore the height of the building is 10 meters, that is our final answer. अब हम उर्दू मीडियम के लिए देखेंगे कि सवाल क्या दिया गया है। सवाल देखो बच्चों क्या है यहाँ पे, एक मीनार के कदम से एक इमारत के छत का जाविये फराज 30 दर्जे है और इस इमारत के कदम से मीनार का बाला हिस्से का जाविये फराज 60 है। अगर मीनार की बुलंदी 30 मीटर है तब इमारत की बुलंदी क्या होगी? तो सबसे पहले हमें जो है मीनार ले लेंगे। ए बी एक मीनार है, ए बी एक मीनार जिसकी जो है बुलंदी 30 मीटर है, ये 30 मीटर ले लिए। और एक जो है इमारत है, कहाँ है? इमारत के कदम से, ये इमारत है, सीधी एक इमारत ले लीजिए। तो सीधी जो है हमारी इमारत है, ये जिसकी बुलंदी नहीं मालूम तो हम इसको x ले लेंगे। अब अपने अल्फाज में लिख देंगे ए बी क्या है। ए बी एक मीनार है जिसकी बुलंदी 30 मीटर है और सीधी है इमारत की बुलंदी, फर्ज करेंगे x और BC दोनों के दरमियान का फासला। अब यहाँ पे दो जाविये बन रहे, एक 60 दर्जे और एक 30 दर्जे। अब हम यहाँ पे पहला जो मुसल्लस है ABC, वो ABC मुसल्लस लेंगे। ABC ये 60 दर्जे का है, तो tan, क्योंकि हमको जो है यहाँ पे दे दिया गया है मीनार की बुलंदी, ये आ गया, तो हम यहाँ से जो है इमारत का ये मुसल्लस से मालूम कर ले सकते। तो पहले मैं 60 दर्जे ले रहा हूँ, tan 60 दर्जे हो गया AB बाई BC, 60 दर्जे है जज़र 3, AB की कदर है 30 और BC नहीं मालूम, तो हम इसको ज़रबे चली पाई करेंगे। BC क्या हो गया 30 बटे जज़र 3, यहीं पे छोड़ दीजिए, क्योंकि हमको जो है फासला मालूम नहीं करना है, हमको बुलंदी, इमारत की बुलंदी मालूम करना। फिर हम दूसरा मुसल्लस लेंगे, कौन सा मुसल्लस, DBC, तो ये 30 दर्जे होगा। और मुकाबिल का जिला बटे मुतसिला जिला, मुकाबिल का जिला CD बटे BC, CD हम फर्ज करें X बटे BC क्या है 30 बटे जज़र 3, ज़रबे चली पाई करेंगे इसको, तो 30 ये 1 से ज़रब होगा, 30 बटे जज़र 3 और 1 बटे जज़र 3, 30 एकड़ 30 जज़र 3 क्या होगा 3 हो जाएगा, क्योंकि जज़र 9 होता, 9 का जज़र निकाले तो 3 आता, 3 दहा 30, तो X की कदर जो हम यहाँ पे फर्ज करे थे वो आ गई 10 मीटर। तो हमारे पास जवाब आ गया इमारत की बुलंदी इमारत की बुलंदी 10 मीटर है, ये हमारा जवाब है। इस तरह से जो है हम दिए गए सवाल को आसानी से, अगर हम सही तरह से शक्ल उतार लेंगे और उसके बारे में कुछ लिख लेके जो है हल करेंगे, तो बहुत आसानी से इसका हल आएगा। ऐसे और सवालात है, आप किताब में से देख के हल करेंगे।